Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to block users on Discord using your Android or iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your phone. Once the app is open, go ahead and find the person you want to block. You can either search for their username or open your chat with them if you've already talked before. Now, tap on their profile picture or their name to open their profile page. Once you're on their profile, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap on the three dots icon. After tapping that, a menu will appear with different options. From this list, simply tap on the Block option. Discord will ask you to confirm your action, so just tap Block again to continue. And that's it. The user has now been blocked, and they won't be able to send you messages or interact with you anymore. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.